Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Dictation for Chandigarh High Court at the rate 100 to 110 word per minute. So be ready. Start 500 words. The respondent's argument that the chapter heading 5703 covered carpets and other textile floor coverings and they were manufacturing those items only was rejected by the commissioner. This plea, however, was subsequently accepted by the tribunal. The commissioner found that car matting satisfied all the tests enumerated in the said explanatory notes of HSN to be treated as parts and accessories classifiable under Chapter 87. One of the reasons for such findings was that the car mattings were suitable for use solely or principally with the vehicle and that were not excluded by provisions of notes to section 17. Then 10th, he applied the market test and concluded that if anybody asked for car matting in the market, the consumer would get a product which could only be used in a car with fixed length and width. In his order, the commissioner found that what was excluded was textile carpets of Chapter 57 and not car mattings. The other order of commissioner in connection with the third show cause notice was passed on 5th January 2007. The reasoning and conclusion of this order was in the same line with the order passed last year. Thus, in both the orders, the commissioner sustained 10th the directions for payment rejecting the reply of the SSC and the orders charged on the respondent duty differential and interest and also imposed penalty. The two appeals of the respondent before the tribunal were decided in their favor by a composite decision. This decision is assailed before us by the revenue authorities in these two appeals. This circular deals with a situation in which non-woven materials in roll form which were excisable goods emerged as a different product when the former is transformed as car matting upon application of certain process. For this reason, it was stipulated that duty 10th would be leviable at 2 stages. But in these two appeals, we are to determine as to whether car mattings came within the aforesaid tariff under Chapter 57. These appeals do not raise the question as to whether car mattings themselves would be subjected to excise duty or not. The question here is under which tariff head the duty should be paid. The aforesaid circular does not assist the revenue in the subject appeals. In the 3 tribunal decisions cited on behalf of revenue authorities, such car mattings were treated as parts and accessories of motor cars. The first case cited 10th is that of Collector of Central Excise Bombay versus Sterling India. Before the tribunal in this case, the SSC went unrepresented. The goods involved were floor mattings and seat covers. The tribunal upheld the collector's order that the said articles were not classifiable as floor coverings under subheading number 5702 of the tariff, and those were to be classified under heading number 8708. The next case is that of collector of Central Excise versus Savraj Majda. This case relates to availability of Modvat credit on floor mats for motor vehicles. In this case, floor mats had been cleared on payment of 10th duty under subheading number 8708, which covered parts and accessories of motor vehicles of heading 87 to 87. Full stop.